Yo, what's goody everybody? And welcome to another reaction video with me, Orlando Morales. Yay. Thank you everybody, thank you for clapping. I know, the room is filled right now. Filled. Today we're going to be reacting to McDonald's POV. Nuggets, start to finish. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be cooking or seeing the steps it takes to make the infamous McChicken. The McChicken nuggets. There we go. Am I saying that right? I don't know, man. I'm baked. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and join the network. Now, let's get into it. What was that? Pretend we didn't see that. I didn't see no frozen back. Hell yeah, bro. Damn. His hands are probably sweaty. Damn, let me get a bag of that. Ooh. Sizzle, baby.
5 minutes later.
Ooh. I'll only take 5 minutes. I'll throw them back in there, you know what I'm saying? I like a little extra crispy, you feel me? Alright, little chicken nugget. Bro, chicken nuggets with fries, bro, that's the go-to meal at McDonald's, bro. That's the go-to meal. I don't give a fuck what anybody say, bro. Chicken nuggets and fries, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Damn, we got the big box, huh? Like a 20 piece? Counting it.
7 minutes.
Those gloves suck, man. I hate those gloves. They just like are so uncomfortable and they like sometimes like ride up and like. Oh yeah, your boy's been in the food business, bro. Oh yeah, I've been a chef before. Oh yeah, you best believe that, boy. Let's end the video, man. Hey, it's all in this shoulder. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next reaction video, alright? Peace.